LUNG.2 acupuncture point, also known as Yunmen in Chinese and cloud gate in English. The upper warmer is the place of mists. The lung in the upper warmer is amongst the mists or clouds of heaven. Cloud gate is the highest point on the lung meridian. From here, the chi starts its descent. Cloud gate doesn't possess the same regulating attributes of lung 1. It is more about the ensuring the free communication with the chi of heaven, maintaining balance and having an overview. The lung, in order to distribute the influence of heaven, control the waterways and keep the rhythms of our automated processes. Correct, must be clear and fresh. When this is not the case, the lung feels oppressed with a heavy sadness in the chest. This can feel isolating, as if disconnected from the inspiration of heaven. The path ahead is clouded and obscured, and the cycle of meridian chi is already disturbed. If someone experiences a gulf dividing them from the rest of life, they may appear detached, remote, superior, or vague. Cloud gate dispels oppression and allows one to feel reconnected with the influx of the heavens and the rhythmic processes of life. Needling cloud gate enables the lung to fulfill its office of regulating and descending the chi so inspiration can be clear. At the level of the mind and spirit, this allows the clouds of the upper warmer to part and the radiance of life to be revealed. When thought processes are turgid, cloudy, stuck or rigid, or there is a lack of insight about feelings and sensations, this point can bring clarity. If there is a sense of disconnection, disappointment or deprivation, cloud gate can stimulate the descending of lung chi and encourage one to breathe fully and freely, allowing for the possibility of receiving more. One of the ways imbalance in the lung can manifest is through the corporeal souls or pose attachment to the material world, wanting more and more to compensate for the impeded connection with the heavens or lack of quality within. When the corporeal soul's influence is disturbed, our instinctive responses can be overly sensitive to changes in environment, or we may feel that life is always happening over there, anywhere but where the person is. Cloud gate can settle the spirit and the endless restless quest of the lung for connection and quality. LUNG.2 is indicated for operation feeling lost or dissatisfied, used to stimulate lung chi. It regulates lung chi and stops cough. It clears lung heat, used for channel problems and pain in shoulder and chest area.